have a house tour for you guys. Follow me. So here, we're going to buy a table soon, but we placed our photos here. And then over here, we have our wedding picture from 10 years ago. How do we look? Okay, so we brought all our furnitures from Korea by boat. So you guys probably recognize our furnitures on our Korea house tour. We also have our TV bench here. And do you guys remember this bookshelf that Aiden bought online used? So we brought this. We also did our 10-year wedding anniversary shoot in Korea right before we moved here. So here's the album for that. Love it. It's by Left Eye. And we need to print this and hang it. Maybe like a canvas.
Yeah.
Love it. Okay. I have our Nintendo right here. Nintendo Switch. Our karaoke system is over here. You guys are welcome to come over and sing. I also have a disco ball. And you plug it in. Ta-da! It looks really cool at night. Come on over. We have our dining set here. We brought our marble top from Korea. This canvas is by artist Yeonu. Aiden. He left out his eye. So the next door house is pretty close. The builder builds it really close together. Over here, we have our guest restroom. I love how there is a window right there. Also have this closet space here. We just put extra toys in here. Not extra, a lot of toys. Yeah. Here, this is supposed to be a study room, but we changed it to a kids playroom. Here are their robot collections. They've been collecting these robots since they were 1 year old. And we brought them all from Korea because it's hard to get here, right? In America, or it's double the price. We brought the chest from Korea and then also their table. I love this. Remember, we only had this bench, but then right before we moved here, we also bought the chairs that come with it. It's blue, but I think we're gonna buy some fabric and then change the color to maybe gray.
Okay.
Yes, this is a nice table, perfect to eat on, to study on, play on. Here is their TNT toy box. We have a table right there. We also need to buy a table.
Or hang it.
Oh yeah. So our backyard is pretty small, but we could fit a grill at least. We should seriously buy a grill here.
You want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
My favorite part of the house is this big kitchen. Love it. I love the white kitchen, the cabinets, all the small details. My sister and brother-in-law bought this for me for my birthday, and I love it. I've always been wanting an air fryer, so I think we use this 3 times a day. Oh yeah, there's 2 slots in here, so I could cook 2 different things at the same time. Our pretty rice cooker is broken, so we have to get it fixed. So for now, I'm using my mom's. We have some alcohol here. Yeah, people that come over, they bring all their alcohols with them. They're like, let's drink. But it's okay, I'm old enough to drink. We have this small desk area, and I have my 100 subscriber plate there, silver plate. Here is our master room. So we do still all sleep together. We love sleeping together, no judging. So we put 3 queen size together. Roll around, party. Super comfortable. Can you show this? I have my cello over here, and then my vanity table is over here. All my perfumes are over here. My makeup, my jewelries are on here. My computer. And then over here, I have some makeup. And then here, I have all my scrunchies. My mom actually handmade these. And they are available for sale. She is going to be selling them, so I'll place a link down below if you guys want to check that out. Okay, let's go to the restroom. Our master bathroom. Look at this tub. So pretty. We still haven't used it yet though. We have 2 sinks over here. some extra skincare stuff, towels. We have our closet, and Aiden put the light where it turns on when I walk
Sensor.
in. Sensor. Here is our shower. I love this. Okay, so here I have my shower head, and this shower head actually has a filter, and you guys will be so shocked. At first this filter was pure white, and now it's like brown, like yellow, because the water is so dirty. So it's important to use a filter. When I first got to America, my skin was itchy and my hair and scalp was itchy, so we switched to this filter, and then now it doesn't itch.
We need
I'll
to
show
change the
you-
filter.
Oh?
We need to change the filter. Let's take it over there.
Oh, there's also hydrating like vitamin C in here. So the water, as it comes out, vitamin C also comes out and also smells so good. Like the scent makes my shower seem like a spa, like a home spa, aroma shower.
Yeah.
Which scent was it?
This was mugwort.
There's Mandarin, Pacific Ocean, and here's the 3 different filters. Look how white it was before. Oh, that's all you do to change it out. And hanger, where did you get it?
I bought it from Lowe's.
Yeah, we put it low so the kids could grab it as well.
You have to buy that one separate.
It's our washer and dryer. Love it. And then our garage is over here. Done. We have our bikes, some extra toys and stuff there. So in here we just have like our food and snacks and like toilet paper, napkins. This entire floor for his baby studio. So when you get in, we have this welcoming table here. We have some of his sample baby albums here. His wedding album is also here. Aiden built this clothes rack himself of all the baby clothes for his clients, so they get to just choose what they want to wear. Here is like the actual studio. Takes like family photos here, file photos.
No problem.
We took our family photo here last week and it came out really good. Here we have some stations for the photo shoot. I love this, like traditional Hanguk style. This is kind of like our extra room, so it's our kids' jump house room.
So-
We have a restroom here. Here we have our office. We like just edit our videos and stuff. This office, we also have a restroom here. We don't really use this tub though. How do you turn on this? Okay. Our last room over here is like the main studio for babies. The photos came out so
I
good.
also made this baby
Yeah,
gym.
he built this too. He made all this cushion by himself, the star cushions.
Your mom helped.
I love this big window. Next door. But actually we know our next door neighbor. Aiden used to work with him, so it's like hi. So that was pretty much our house. Thanks for coming over. We'll maybe do like an updated one after we get more stuff.
Get into 노래방. Turn off everything.
Welcome to Angel's Karaoke Bar. I wanna know that. And we also have I wanna know that nobody but you. Okay. I will put on the MR, but I think it's gonna have the copyright. Okay, guys, thank you so much for coming to Angel's house.